What's up, YouTube? Silver Dragons here. I just got a package in the mail. It's my first ever gold coin, and we're gonna unbox it, so let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. This is going to be a sweet one, and I'm so excited for it. This is my first ever gold coin that I've ever purchased before. I have either purchased or traded for gold nuggets. I do have one gold bar. It's a tiny little half gram. But this is a gold coin, and I bought it off of Instagram from a company. I think they're called Royal Coins Houston or something like that. Anyway, maybe they got some info in here, so let's open it up and see. I've never bought anything from them before, but yeah, so let's break this open. I'm so excited. And I do hope to be getting some more gold in the future. Let's see. This one here. This might just be packing material. Yep. Okay, here we go. Royal Coin. Oh, nice. Very nice presentation. Check that out. Royal Coin, Houston, Texas. So, yeah, definitely check them out. www.royalcoins.com. And a nice little bag here. This would be cool for holding constitutional silver. Here we go. Yes. Oh, it's a eagle. It's a gold eagle. Let's break it out here. And it comes with a capsule, so that's sweet. This is a 1/10 ounce. I'll show you the other side here. Get in focus. All right. So 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagle. You can see it down here in the bottom corner. 1/10 ounce. It's a little hard to see with the capsule and the light sort of playing tricks. But anyway, it does say 1/10 ounce fine gold. $5 face value. Okay, United States of America up at the top. We got the eagle, and this thing looks a little beat up. I mean, it is scratched. That was the reason I bought it, actually, because it was damaged and they had a sale. So usually American Gold Eagles, they will sell for a hefty premium. I mean, we're talking either 10, 15, 20% premium sometimes on these 1/10 ounce. And when I bought it, I only paid $135 for it. And at the time, that was about 5% over spot. So only 5% premium for 1/10 ounce gold, which that's a really good deal if you can find that. I know there is a little bit of damage on it. See if we can get it to focus a little bit closer. There we go. So, you know, some minor scratches on the front of it. Obviously, I'd never get this graded or anything. That doesn't matter to me. I'm just buying it for the gold content and the fact that it is a coin. American Gold Eagle. It is 1999, so that's cool. Right before the new millennium that we're in now. I'll show the eagle side here. So I'm really stoked on this. I want to be picking up some gold. I want to diversify a little bit. Definitely going to be stacking silver as my primary. Still focusing on the eagles very heavily. But I do want to snag some gold here and there, especially if I can find good deals like this one. I mean, 135 bucks for a 1/10 ounce gold. That's a steal. I mean, honestly, when you're buying gold, full ounce gold eagles, you know, probably would cost you around 1,350 right now, depending on where you buy them from. So to get a 1/10 ounce for a tenth the price, basically I paid the premium that I would pay on a full ounce of gold. So that's the thing when you're buying gold, is if you buy fractionals, the smaller you get, the higher the premium typically. But if you can find killer deals, ones like this that are a little bit scratched up, then you got to snag those when you can, because these will carry a little bit higher of a premium when you go to sell them. So I feel like I did pretty good on the purchase. I'm glad that it came through and all worked out. And they did throw in a free capsule as well. They didn't charge me for shipping, so that was nice. So it was literally just $135. So not too bad. I'm really excited for it. I was actually gonna pick up some bigger, maybe like a 1/4 ounce or possibly up to a 1/2 ounce gold eagle, but this one popped up, and so I just snagged it. So it is my first gold coin. So 1/10 ounce. that's okay. I've got plenty of time to buy some bigger fractionals or maybe get a full ounce at some point. So let me show the card here. I'll get it in focus for you. There we go. So if you do want to check them out, and check out their Instagram too. So Royal Coin and Jewelry. They have a bunch of deals that they throw up on Instagram. In fact, I think the most recent one that they were doing that I saw on there was Eagles for $16.38, which that's a really killer deal for silver Eagles. So I didn't jump on that one, but if I got some more cash in the near future, I might actually buy some Eagles from them just because that is a total steal. But they throw up deals like almost every day. So definitely check out Royal Coin Houston, I think is their Instagram handle. And I was really excited to get this deal. I actually jumped on it literally within like 2 minutes of them posting it. And so you got to be quick when they post the deals. But anyway, just a quick video on my first ever gold purchase. Really stoked on it. I'm definitely going to be getting some more gold in the future. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.